Hey, this is Okie Twister 66. Do you have any idea how difficult it is to bring home a gallon of milk on a Harley with no bags? Not an easy feat. Stick around, I'm going to show you something cool. Hey, thanks for sticking around. You know, those of us who don't have bags on their bikes, sometimes we kind of miss out on some things. I don't think anybody's really going to try to bring home a gallon of milk on their motorcycle. But there are situations where, like, for example, a day trip where the temperatures fluctuate, like really cold in the morning, warm in the afternoon, and then cold back again in the evening. If you don't have bags or something, sometimes you're stuck with either being too cold in the morning or too warm in the afternoon. It's awfully nice to have somewhere to stash your gear, like a jacket or a sweatshirt, something like that. Also good to be able to take some snacks with you, bottles of water and so forth. My friends at Kemimoto sent me their brand new Sissy Bar Bag to do an honest review. So let me show you some of the features of this bag and then how I installed it on my Harley Davidson Fat Boy. This is the new Kemimoto Sissy Bar Bag. It is made of a durable canvas. It fits just about anything you can imagine as far as motorcycles are concerned. I can't think of anything that it wouldn't fit on, given the vast number of attachment options that they give to you. It's got a rigid case. It's not going to collapse on you. It's water resistant. It's got some water resistant zippers, which are pretty cool. Like I said, it's got a ton of different attachment methods. It's also expandable. Do this on both sides. It expands, an inch or so on both sides. So give you a little bit of extra room on the inside. On this end, you've got just a neat little kind of elastic top pocket there. This one, you've got a Velcro pocket. On this side, this is for mounting. It's got a nice Velcro, nice wide strap. Mounts on the back of the Sissy Bar. It's also got a cool carrying handle. On the top, it's a good place to like stash your gloves or whatever. Just stick them, slide them in there. On this side, it also has the expandable feature. And it has a pocket on this end. And, inside this pocket is a cool rain guard feature. Inside here, it's got a divider. On this end, it also has a side pocket that can be unzipped. And it's got a divider. Now inside the main compartment, it's got nice zippers. Like I said, it's got weather-resistant zippers. Inside, now there are 4 straps that come with this bag, plus a shoulder harness or a shoulder strap. The other four straps, these are for mounting, and I'm going to show you how to mount that here in just a minute, at least how I did it on my bike. There are dozens of different combinations of bikes. Inside, it's got like a secret kind of little invisible pocket on the very bottom. On each end, it's got some elastic netting type pockets. You'll see right here, it has zipper net or Velcro. That's really good Velcro, by the way. So it just has a ton of features. So let me show you how I installed it on my bike. They provide a one-page limited set of instructions. To be honest, they didn't help me out too much. Not that they're bad instructions, it's just that there are so many different ways people have their bikes configured, and there's no way they could detail every single configuration that may pop up. But what they did do is they gave a ton of different methods to attach this bag to your bike. I spent some time trying to figure out the best way to attach it to my bike, and so this is what I came up with. The first thing, you just slide this bag down over the Sissy bar. That's what I did. And then you cinch this tight. It's got Velcro. And then the question was, what am I going to do with this flap? I don't like this thing all flapping in the wind. So I just decided to snake it right under these other straps. And it kind of sticks a little bit to this mesh. So that's how I secured the end of that strap. Okay, for the side, I took one of these. There's 4. I used 2 plus this back one, but that's all I use. But basically, I just hooked it on here. I fed it through the back side of this mount. Goes through pretty easy. Bring it up. Now, of course, I've pre-measured this. You can slide this anywhere. Buckle it. And then for the dangly end, I fed it back up through. Straightened it up. This is where this Velcro thing came in. Kind of neat. Just open up the Velcro. Come from behind the strap. And just fold it over and close it. Cinch it up tight. That's good. Good and tight. Do the same thing on the other side. And then you're done. Let's talk pros and cons. There's only a couple of cons, and they're not really that bad. I just think they might enhance the bag a little bit. The first one would be the interior. I wish it had like a different colored lining, like a brighter lining, an orange or a yellow or a red. That way you could find your small belongings a little easier if you've got little doodads and stuff. Makes it easier with a bright colored background inside. Something else I wish it had. I love this weatherproof cover. However, I wish it had some sort of a drawstring thing where you could just snug it down tight. Doesn't have that, but hey, it looks pretty good. I checked it; it fits pretty tight. I think the last thing on the con list would be is it will not fit my full face helmet. Just a little too big, as you can see. Now, a smaller helmet would probably fit just fine. Let's talk about the pros, the things that I really like about the bag. I like all the different storage compartments that it has on the ends, on the interior. That secret floor in there is really cool. I like the carrying handle that it has right here. I like the shoulder strap that it has. I really dig all the different attachment combinations, and with the 4 straps. Another thing I like about it is the price. Runs about $100, and I'll have a link for this down in the description below with the discount code. As you can see, this bag is not going anywhere. I have absolutely 100% confidence that it is going to stay put. So here's how it looks on the bike. It's not as invasive looking as I feared it might be. And I'm going to like this bag. Look, it doesn't hit me in the back when I ride. All of the different fastening mechanisms they provide make sure it is not going anywhere. It doesn't scratch my paint, doesn't rub anywhere. So I like it. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit me with some comments, and I'd really love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. I want to thank my friends at Kemimoto for sending me this bag to review. I think I'm really going to like it. And you can bet your banana the next time I need milk, I'm going to take my bike down to the store, get a gallon of milk, and put it in this bag. This is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Have fun, ride safe, 2 wheels down.